Today unboxing are the new release from Ibaraki Hong Kong. There's quite a few GTR being released. I never got them all. I only got these three: the Tochigi Prefectural Police, the 50th Anniversary Edition, and also the Nismo official car. What sets them apart in the mid-price category market are these GTR all comes with opening parts. Although opening features are no surprise for Ibaraki, let's take a closer look at the Tochigi Prefectural Police Nissan GTR R35. Standard regular box. You can see that the box is creased at the corner. The box is pretty soft. Ibaraki could look at increasing the GSM and thickness on their box. Standard license information including social media contacts for Ibaraki. A woman police officer is also included in this casting, which make it different from the rest of the GTR, like an added bonus. Details are pretty basic, given that it's the 1:64 scale, and personally I would prefer a matte coat over a gloss coat. The GTR itself is quite highly detailed, although quality-wise, you can't compare it with a TLV that is about 3 times higher in retail price. Quality can be better, but all the details are intact. What I'm pretty impressed is the car plate. If I can recall, TLV is a blank car plate. Got to be careful about the spoiler. It's quite fragile, so don't press on it. The spoiler may be bent. The siren is the current Japanese siren. Kudos to Ibaraki for adding this opening feature. Many makers choose to avoid. Opening the doors are tricky. You need to push the side mirror as a lever to slightly open it and pry open the car window. Likewise for the hood, you need to pry open with several attempts or more to open the engine compartment. Very detailed compartment, and a job well done by Ibaraki to paint the engine. It's looking great and worth the attempt. For the other door, you just have to be very careful not to break the side mirror. I will slowly use the tweezers for more control to position the driver inside the casting. Looks great. The height level can be improved. I think I may have misaligned it while trying to adjust it, but it will do for now. Overall, a very impressive casting for this category. Next, the 50th Anniversary Edition in Bayside Blue. Very nice color scheme, very accurate. I remember I did unbox the TLV version, also 50th anniversary way back. Excellent job done by Ibaraki for this category. All the details are intact. You can see all the door lines and the hood are integrated with the body. It's quite seamless. Hence the difficulty of opening them. Definitely not an easy casting to produce. Many consideration factors. You have to be very careful while opening the door. I wouldn't open it casually, or if there's a choice, I wouldn't even open it. But I have to open this for feature to show you guys, and also maybe in my photography session later on. Opening the hood is really a challenge, but not as challenging as green light. Very nice engine compartment, very detailed. To showcase its details, I think it's worth it, and with the doors and hood open, it looks pretty impressive. Lastly, the Nismo official car for Fuji Speedway. Very accurate casting. I was supposed to go to Fuji Speedway in December, which I plan to do so with my buddy in Japan, but now everything is being cancelled. The livery looks good with all the accurate details on the body. The iconic GTR rear with painted exhaust. Hence pretty impressive, and it will look great in diecast photography. And now for the opening parts, which need a lot of tapping and prying. I really can't manage to open the hood because my nails are short. In the end, I have to use the tweezers to open it, and in the process, I chip a paint, which is no problem, I can always touch it up. But I feel the need to open the hood to show you guys for the video. Although all the engines look the same, opening features are impressive, but it's a bit of a challenge to open them. The plus point is the opening features doesn't really affect the realism. Hence, I think Ibaraki did a very good job. Overall, my favorite is definitely the Tochigi Prefectural Police. I think it's very impressive. How about you? Stay tuned for more Ibaraki unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.